headed to a small creek with live crickets and worms. What's hiding below? Big fish or nothing at all? First we'll hit the bait shop, then find the perfect creek and test the live bait. Will the live bait beat the artificial lures, or are we gonna have to find a new tactic?
The crickets are definitely where it's at though.
Creeks can hold surprising secrets. We're about to find out. Let's go.
Got one! Yeah, it's way bigger than mine. Look how bright he is.
Me and Dub just went and picked up the worms. We had to make sure they were still alive, because sometimes they'll sell you worms and they're all dead. So we had to make sure they were all alive. We got Frankie too. So we're gonna meet Papa Ham up at the creek and we'll check back in a little bit.
Hey, the girls are getting the worms. I got the crickets, so we're ready to go creek fishing. Oh yeah, they're ready. All right, let's get down the road. All right, we're on.
I'm sweating like nobody's business up in here. What is our best plan of attack to get down there, you think? Over there? Yeah. Whoa. Watch your step, that just took me out. Interesting. Little. We left the house and she said, "You're gonna go on the internet with that outfit?"
Who said that?
Me. What are you talking about, dude? If you open that bag, are the crickets not gonna escape?
Yeah, you gotta be careful. What, you got anything on there now?
No. I'm about to start with a worm. Me too. I'd rather use a worm than a cricket because they ain't got legs, so they ain't gonna go too far. Yeah, I don't like the feeling of the crickets, like their little legs moving around. Makes me feel like something's
in that bag. They don't seem too happy though.
Oh, here we go. Is it running away?
Yeah,
Let me find William the Worm over here.
William the Worm.
Yeah, I decided to name him.
Ooh. He's very active.
Oh, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
These worms are active, but they ain't about to be.
Okay, William the Worm don't want to stop moving. Maybe I need a bigger worm.
Yeah, but it ain't even gonna let me do it.
Okay, sorry, William. These worms are wiggling.
There's too much body fat on this worm. It's not too much slack.
Okay, William's hooked on there.
You're gonna be asking the blind guy to help you.
See?
I guess we're just gonna cast William over there.
Where are you casting?
Okay, not right there, cause that's straight in the land. See, William's moving around. Yeah. Okay.
I was gonna walk to the other side, but get to the other side.
Whoa!
I'm gonna walk right over here.
Oh my goodness. That was slick.
Oh, that's deep. I can't walk through that.
I wonder how deep that is right there. I'm stuck. Go. Ooh, Lordy Lord. Okay. Maybe I walk down yonder. It's shallow right here. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. We're gonna run this way. There ain't no fish down there. Didn't make it very far. I feel like I need to like fix the drag on this thing. There is some in my tackle box. Okay, there's a couple things happening around it. I've seen one bite on it so far. Maybe I could little hand cast. Okay, wait, I lied. That's just a stick. William clenched to a stick. Okay, William, come on, bud. Okay, we're gonna cast it out again. Maybe we won't get a stick this time. Fishing is like teaching a little kid how to ride a bike. It takes forever, but once it's done, you're right up there by the tree. I've seen a couple things biting around there so far. You hear my life lessons that I'm telling? Maybe something will snap for you up. I feel like it's too shallow. I thought I caught something. It was just a stick. Ooh. You having any luck over here? I just said I thought I got a bite, and then it ended up just being a stick when I reeled it in. So I don't really know. William the worm clung to the stick though. He was like wrapped around it. He's trying not to get ate. Coming up here in my fishing spot, are you? This is my fishing spot. Trying not to fall right now. I wonder what's down there. I could walk around that little corner. Without falling in, that's my question is. Okay, we might have a little bit more luck down in here. Yeah, they're disturbing the water. I think this is a nifty spot, is he? After you just disturbed my precious fishing water? Look at the current. Creek fishing isn't too active. Definitely not the most active type of fishing. I need a fish to be on my line 24/7. Is that a bite? You better not get a bite before I do. Get that on the footage. You're picking up what I'm putting down. Get some action on this bobber over here, guys. I don't know if y'all could see it, but I sure could. We're about to catch a behemoth of a fish. Behemoth of a fish? Still intact. I need a better casting. Me and William aren't getting very much action over here. Fishing is really important. Like you have to make, like your stance for fishing is very important. You got to make sure that you are ready for anything at all times. You know what I mean? Always be ready. You never know. What if we catch an alligator? What if we catch an alligator? It probably would break our rods. I would jump in after it though. I'd jump in on a gator and wrestle it. Hey, zoom in on that. My bobber. getting some bites. Hold on. They're camera shy. Okay. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Oh, almost just fell in.
You think the movement in the water?
I literally can't get a step. Oh my god.
Hey, you think the movement in the water like when your worm moves with the water, you think the fish think that it's like swimming away?
Like, help me.
That's my
I think I might put a cricket on it.
Can crickets breathe underwater?
I think William the worm is.
I wonder. Y'all let us know in the
No
comments
longer
if crickets
with
can
us.
live underwater. So I don't know if they can or not. Wonder what happened to the fish biting my worm.
William the worm is no longer.
Alright, that was a bad decision. And it didn't work. Alright, now my socks are soaking wet.
Okay, that's disgusting. Ooh, the water's cold.
How about that? Come on, driver. You don't want to carry the bag too much.
Don't want your crickets escaping. My gosh, they're getting active. Two of them jumped out. I don't know where
Did
Mr.
one live to fight another day?
He's right there. Grab him. Not for long, sucker. I'm gonna try the.
You know what I was just thinking about?
What?
I'm just trying to figure out how to get over there.
Oh, you can build up out here right here. You can make it to that island.
I got short boots on.
Yeah, well, I didn't. If you make it to the island, you're gonna get no, the grassy island.
What grass?
Yeah, right there.
How do I make it to that? Gosh.
Like this right here. So step on this grass right here. Step on this grass, and then jump to this grass, and then jump to this.
I think you are. Oh,
If Grandpa can do it, you can do it.
That's not saying much.
okay, well, I need to hold my phone so it doesn't go flying. I mean, if I would have fell in the water, that. Oh,
Oh gosh.
my phone!
I'm not having too much luck. But, so I was just thinking how I was asking if crickets could live underwater. I'm pretty sure crickets like scurry and like walk on top of the water. You know?
They're like
I don't think they actually
centipedes right
live under
there.
the water.
I lost my cricket!
Did you really? Did you?
I swear!
All right, come here. I'll give you one.
I wish we brought our big fishing rods because I was like, if all that stuff we can do it fun.
I got
Hey, there's a cricket thing right there.
Got me hooked up with a cricket. My cricket is dead.
Dang, that went far. He's holding on.
Oh, they're getting escaped. They're escaping. Ah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're all over the place.
Man, that's $3.
I need to get where he's on the move. Look at him. Oh, Lord. I think he's moving. Like, brother, there ain't no fishy here. How are creeks like started? Like, how do they form? Springs? Look at that cricket sitting on top of the water. Bouncing everything? From. Yeah, you see your friend underwater? That could be you right now. Let's have Dee Dee show us in the creek. Oh, there's a frog. A little baby frog. Ooh, and a big old spider. No, thank you. Let's walk back over.
We ain't got no luck.
Ain't no fish. Oh, Lord. Oh, gosh.
Huh?
Mm-mm. I got a few nibbles, but that was it. I thought I had a bite, and then, hey, there's a minnow. You are splashing all types of mud and water on me. Yoo-hoo! Hey, love me, camera. Yeah. Do you think cricket or worm? Oh, all you're getting is a cricket, because the crickets are in there and we got time to dig for the worms. These crickets are going everywhere. Uh-oh. I don't know how people use crickets. Do you use crickets, Dee Dee?
No. I have before, but not much.
Do they work? Alright. Let's see what action we can get down here. Let's see what we can just catch, shall we? Yeah, if you want to be warm, get you one of these sweatshirts. Well, what happened was Dub just got a little stuck in the tree, and there's a cricket, probably mine. What would one do in such situation? Saying that I can see my hook in the branch. I'm trying to decide which. I slipped a little bit. I'm gonna let it sit. And cricket, if you want to reuse it. What is that? I got one. There's like right in here. Bad fish. Oh, it's spiky. Little worm. No, it ain't. Oh. I know. I was like, oh my gosh. Why is it flopping? Because it's a fish. Yeah, now dude, you're all tangled up. How you like that? You see, we just took a little break from fishing in the creek. We're fishing for squirrels now. Why is every part of this fish so spiky? The crickets are definitely where it's at though. Get him. Get him. Off to a much better start. Okay, little fish number 1. See ya. You know, I gotta figure out how to get my line to go further out. I need me a cricket. Well, there's one right there by your foot. Crickets are definitely working better. I need to be out there in the dark stuff, because I'm over here. You think there'd be any right here against this? Part 2. I don't like this. Dub, this creek life is not for you. What's this rod and reel? Not for me. Really? Yes, really.
No, I mean you just cast it right.
No, I know. Can we trade?
No. Deb, you're gonna have to stick to worms. You've lost about 8 of the crickets.
I'm about to give up with this little thing.
Never give up. It's my inspirational quote for the video. Never give up.
Cricket is right there. There's one under my foot.
Probably just scared all his little fish friends away, though.
Why don't you go that way?
Because when I tried to do that, yeah, you got the tall boots on. Get in the water. Now we sit and wait. Very quiet, so the fish can't hear us.
Very relaxing.
Do you want to get on the rope swing?
I'm good.
Are there alligators in here? So you put a rope swing up. Deb, I'm concerned.
I'm having a hard enough time.
Yeah, Deb's on the struggle bus right now.
I can't. My foot's stuck.
Deb's getting stuck all over the place. Deb, why don't you go over there?
Over where?
Over there. I learned how to fly fish the other day. Do you know what fly fishing is, Deb? Do you?
Not really. Kind of.
What do you think fly fishing is? You got a stick in your hair.
I don't know.
What do you think fly fishing is?
I've heard of it, but I don't know.
Okay, so you don't know what it is.
No.
Well, I learned how to do it the other day. Me personally, I would not do it.
Can you
Cause
explain to us how?
yeah, you have a rod, and it just has it's like a flat circle. Like it's not like this. It's like a flat circle right here with a little tiny thing that you reel, and it's like the line is like a string almost. Like it's like a
Braided.
no, not braided. Literally like a string. And
so
you
if it's a piece of
you
twine.
pull it out, and it's just really long rod. So you pull it out about yay long, and you hold your finger here, and you throw it behind you, and you have to let all the line go behind you, and then you whip it back, and then do it again, whip it back until you get as far as you want it out there.
What do you catch while doing such thing?
I guess anything. I think it's about the same as doing anything, to be honest. But I just learned how to do that the other day because I'm an outdoor ed class. So I learned about being outdoors.
There's a fallen tree over there, and I kind of want to go over there.
I want to sit on it. But I do not know how to get over there without swimming.
And I'm not.
I'm not getting in this
swimming
gator-infested cold water.
Y'all should go check out HamiltonvilleFarm.com if y'all like this hoodie.
Yeah,
come in all
use code
sorts.
HF10. You get 10% off.
They come in all cool colors. They're very thick. Trust. I'm hot. Watching your little bobber over there.
I just gotta bite. Bite it again, bite it again, bite it again. Hello, why you not biting? It literally just bit it and I saw it go bloop. Can't rip no lips if no lips are on it. Here, fishy, fishy,
Well, this is why it's
fishy.
called fishing, not catching. Am I right or am I right?
Funny.
I know.
Sometimes you kind of just make bad jokes. What was that joke we heard on the live the other day? Oh, what sound does the witch's car make?
Oh.
Broom, broom.
What was that noise? Ah! Where are all the fish at? Maybe we're too loud. I think we scared them away. Do I even have a cricket anymore? Nope. Nope. I knew I felt something. Should I try and retrieve a cricket? Or is that a really bad idea? No, do it. I need another cricket. I'm switching to a beetle spin. Maybe that'll... Because the Dub does not know how to use a fishing pole. Maybe that'll give me some better luck.
The bait man.
Bait man is coming. I got a bite, but it like bit it and just took the bait somehow. Because I watched it get off. I don't know how you let them things touch you. It's a long rod. Dang, that one's fat. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh. Not that slow. Okay, something just had it and brought it underwater. You think faster? Y'all see something biting it? You think it took my cricket? I don't see it no more. Yeah, bag nabbit. Alright. The first one, he had it though. He got the cricket and the hook. I mean, at least I'm getting bites. Watch it be the same fish. He knows. I'm just gonna do it and yank it. Rip that lip. But I don't want to rip it out of its mouth.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I'm used to it being on this side. I'm sorry. You don't think I'm gonna rip it out of its mouth?
I don't want to rip its lips.
Huh? Oh, that one was bad. Okay, here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I need to go back over there. That was the area where I was getting bites at. What is this meant to catch? Okay, Dub. Oh, look at him. He's pretty big. He's bigger. Yeah, it's way bigger than mine. How bright he is. Do you think they ever seen a swimming cricket before? Like, have now? I mean, I guess like crickets in the water, but a little too much, Dub. Yoink. We're gonna start a fishing class. If anyone wants to know, I'll be the instructor. You can. I'll be what not to do. Hey, big catch.
Get it, get it.
Got him. Oh, you're kidding me. Come back. Wait, I still got the cricket on. I know I'm supposed to let it sit, but it keeps going away from my spot. If y'all get this video to 200,000 views, I'll get on the rope swing. Swing out with the fishing pole and fish from the rope swing. And we can play like I came in like a wrecking ball or something. I just envisioned that in my head right now. And it's kind of funny. Like a wrecking ball. Be on the rope. At this rate, I'm about to jump in. Give us something exciting for the video. Well, so far I've not really upset anybody. A whole tree. Trees. Limbs. Some dirt. Okay, fishy, fishy. Come on. They like the crickets. They're hungry. whenever they
I say we hook me up with some crickets.
Whenever they get the hook with the cricket in its mouth, does it try to spit the cricket out when it gets, like, whenever it realizes that it's hooked and spits the cricket out but stay hooked?
I will grab that tackle box real fast.
I need to get back to my secret spot. To get it a little bit further, I probably should put a split shot on it, but I mean, the fish seem to like what I got going on right now.
Really?
I just do need a little bit further out. I don't know why the current's taking it that way is my question. Why is the current not taking it like that way? Or that way. That way's where the current's moving, I think. Okay, we still got cricket on. Better be. I mean, it's pretty much staying in that spot right there, which is good. I want it to stay in one spot and not float across that way. Whoa. It's floating to the spot. I can't tell how deep that little creek is right there.
Yeah, I might try it. If I was you, I would try to get up in there and let it float back down here like you were doing.
Alright. We'll let it finish floating across right there because that's where the fish have been at.
I
Yeah.
think our man's trying to go hunting. I might go hunting too tonight up at our lease. My dad shot a buck last night, woke up, went hunting, shot a buck this morning. Nope, I didn't know he was going. He didn't wake me up. He didn't even tell me he was gonna go this morning. I wake up to a picture of him.
Well, I can't walk that way because that is just a straight drop off. So I'm just gonna have to throw it.
I think he shot a.
Oh, no, that didn't work as planned.
Maybe.
I don't know how I need to get it that way without. I'm just gonna keep ending up in
This
the
morning
tree.
he shot a 7. This is the 9th
Yeah,
he
it
shot
ain't gonna
last
work.
night. It's kind of hard to see. It's dark. And then he shot this one this morning.
Yeah, there we go.
They all disappeared after I shot mine. And then
I just still need to be closer, I think. Very quiet, not much action.
Really? Yeah.
I still got my cricket on there though, but I don't know if a fish wants a deceased cricket.
We're trying to get rid of them.
You got it, you got it. There you go. Hold on.
Nope.
Yeah, I mean, it went away.
Yeah, it did. Dagnabbit.
Probably ain't got your cricket on there no more.
I do.
Yeah, you had a fish on there.
Do I still have the whole cricket?
No, let's get you another.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, my cricket just fell off. Yeah, that's definitely the spot I need to be at, though, for sure. Oh, a little far, but somewhat the same
Catch
spot.
anything?
Almost. I got a bite. And it ate half my cricket. I need to move it. I feel like I'm too far that way now.
Too far left?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I'll let it sit here for a second. What is going on over there?
Whoa.
She got split shot on her.
That sun's getting bright though. See, it keeps just floating too far that way.
That's probably not where you are.
Dagnabbit.
I think that was me. That's me.
Let him adjust that fork first, Josh.
Yeah. That breeze feels nice though. I want to get in the water. Oof. Sure did. I didn't even, yeah, I know. Can't think fast enough. Mine's way on out there.
Yeah,
Should I try a
that's
worm?
good spot, see?
Hopefully.
Are you gonna try a worm?
Yeah, I'll try a worm.
Okay.
It's hard to see with the sun glaring in my balls. You got a cricket loose. Whew, it's a little toasty out here. I wish I could go to that other side. Like, I wish it wasn't so deep I could walk across. Yeah. Warm the waders. I know. They're so dirty, though. Come on, that is a good spot where me and you are both at. Oh, I got one. Get him! I'm trying! Hurry! Don't let him get off like the last one. He's bright. That's the same kind of fish Dub just caught. Look how bright he is. I let mine off. His twin brother done got on you. Be free. Woo! Safe release out here. Hey, 3 fish down. We need something exciting. Dee Dee, you want to dress up as a bear? Come out with lids. Like, oh my gosh, there's a bear. I might come back here. Are there bears over here? Are there bears over here? I'm not worried about them. But at that one pond that we were fishing at for the beginning of our fishing video career, alligators, they were like, it was crazy whenever I went out there that one night. Your sweet innocent little granddaughter almost got ate. Is this thing actually like, how many alligators though are like actually in here? It's kind of weird to think that there's like probably like an alligator like 20 foot that way. Maybe he'll swim up on us. That'd be something exciting for a video.
I wonder if you could walk around that way.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me do that. Kind of in a good spot right now. Had to really sling my arm back to. If I go like this one more time trying to reach for the right hand reel, I'm actually. No, it's fine. Everybody always says stuff how our reels are backwards, but I'm like, I like to reel in with my right hand.
I like to reel it.
I'm ambidextrous. Fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. These are some crunchy leaves over here. Yeah, they are. What if I fell in? I would actually laugh.
The video would go viral.
Well, too bad, because I'm not going to fall in on purpose. You don't want to fall in like I did? Oh, no, I'm perfect. That water was cold. It was like literally 7 in the morning. Sure woke me up.
You got him?
I got one! He's orange. He's little, but he's orange. He's got like blue on his face. He's got like blue stripes on his face. Look at him. This is the best fishing we've had in a hot minute. Backflip. Now swim to mine. Swim to my cricket. What you say, Deb? Said you should have brought me some food over here. I'm taking those home with me.
Okay.
Taking what? The crickets and worms. If I didn't have to hunt, I would. I can't give my dad. My dad has shot too many deer in the past 24 hours. Well, today the fish definitely like the crickets more. Yeah, them worms, they went out the window as soon as these fish saw them crickets. But hey, it's almost 3 o'clock. I'm going hunting. See ya.